video got cut off because we set the fire alarm. Shut up! Today's vlog, I'm going to be only cooking homemade meals. I have been eating out so much, and I feel like because we can't go outside because it's supposed to be like 30 miles per hour of like wind, this is like a good chance to start that habit of just eating inside all the time. Look at this, Lilo and Stitch. Smell. It's cute. So long. These are so cute. I think so. These are so cute. What the heck? Guys, so we just went shopping and we didn't have any like bags to put stuff in. So we had to like stash everything. Bananas and 2 yams in here. Oh my god. So for dinner, I'm eating jjampong. It is currently 7:34 p.m. I just got back from a late day of rehearsals and went shopping for food. Also, school is canceled Sunday and Monday. We went shopping ahead of time just to make sure we're prepared for whatever happens this week. I got this. It was only $17, but we're gonna be making some jjampong. Also, I'm watching this new movie that just came out called People We Meet on Vacation. I also watched Singles Inferno. That was crazy. I feel like people are so fast to judge Minasu. The whole point of the show is to meet new people, to see who you're most attracted to, and she's just exploring her options. So I felt like when people were like, oh my god, like I can't believe she's like picking that girl's guy. Like it's not technically Minji's guy because he also, mind you, he picked Minasu. The option for the question was, would you go to paradise again with the girl that you already went with, or would you explore new options? And he said explore new options. And he also said like who were the people that you were interested in, and he was like Minji and Minasu. So I mean, like she was also interested in him in the beginning, but you know, he didn't really show any signs that he was still interested in her after that, so she didn't pursue that. And I feel like that's totally valid. But like after he said that he is still interested, like I feel like it's totally valid of her to be like, yeah, like I want to pursue this because like I've been interested in this guy in the beginning. I do think it was really rude when she was like, hey, can I pull you for a chat? And then was like, wait, actually he wants to talk to me, so you can leave and we can talk later. Like that was crazy. But yeah, like Singles Inferno this season, I think it's the best season ever because the past seasons lately, it's just been like centered on one person. It's like the previous season was like Kwani, like it was like solely centered around Kwani, and then like the other season was like solely centered on Ishan. Like recent season was so good because equally attractive, equally like what they do is like really attractive. Everyone's participating and like the drama is like so heated. I love it. I love it when like everyone on the show is equally like really good at talking to each other and like making connections, you know what I mean? But yeah, Singles Inferno is like my top favorite show at the moment, but we'll see if I like People We Meet on Vacation because it's been #1 on Netflix for a while. hot honey sauce. Whoa, that's really good. Oh my god, I've been craving jjampong lately, and I feel like it's just so expensive to go out and get it, especially because a lot of places it kind of tastes weird or like sewage water. So I like making it from home. My mom's recipe is so bomb. Oh my god. Oh my. That is so good. Oh. This definitely needs more veggies, but overall, I think this is the best jjampong I've ever made. The soup is so good. I recommend all of you guys trying this because it's so good. I didn't make it exactly the way my mom made it, and if I did it exactly the way, it would have been a lot more red, like the soup color, but it's fine. This soup is so good. Oh my god. See you guys when I'm making my next meal. So bad in there. This road in the shade Lunge. Some Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm gonna go in with the YSL shade 44. It always smells like some like lychee or something like that. I don't know how to describe the smell, but it smells really good. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. So it is currently Sunday and it's set to snow this whole entire week, and it's snowing like crazy right now, and I'm hoping that we get at least like 2 feet of snow so that we can play in the snow today. I grew up in the South, so we don't get snow often. Like I never have just snow coming down for this long, you know. It's so pretty, it's so nice. So yesterday night, I made some jjampong, which you guys saw. Okay, that's gonna overflow. Oh my gosh. But I think it tastes so much better if you cook the noodles in the soup for like 2 more minutes before it's like fully cooked. This is actually insane. I guess growing up with a mom that is a professional chef is like, it's easier for you to cook just because you watch her so much, you know, like cooking so much that it kind of comes naturally to me too. Or like at restaurants, they charge for like one of these for like $20 plus tax and everything. Making it at home, it legit, I'm not even kidding you, it cost me $5. Oh, this is actually so good. So worth it. One tip about jjampong soup is it always tastes better. It's refrigerated the night before. Next day, you cook the broth with like half-cooked noodles. So you cook the noodles separately for like 4 minutes and then you cook it in here for like 3 minutes. Perfect. It is the most perfect thing. Tastes way better. The noodles have like the flavor of the soup in it. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this while watching Idol 1. I'll see you guys later when I have dinner. Okay guys, I just woke up from a nap and now I'm gonna be making dinner. I'm gonna be surprising my boyfriend with a really nice dinner. I'm making kalbi, kimchi jjigae, and tiramisu. Okay, first things first, we're going to crack 3 eggs and we're gonna separate them. The eggs. And we're gonna put the egg yolk in one bowl and then the egg whites in the bigger bowl. You don't need to form stiff peaks. It can be like a little watery, but the goal is you want it to be like very like white and like shiny. Egg yolk mixture. I'm just gonna combine the two. Nescafe. And I just put some hot water in, like the tiniest bit. I'm just gonna add that to this mixture. We're just gonna add the amount. So I'm making kimchi jjigae and not jjigae. So freaking cute. I think this is the cutest spam I've ever seen in my life. Just Lilo and Stitch. The best thing. Okay guys, I finished cooking. We have some beer. And then this is the star of the show, kimchi jjigae. Yay!
This one I get. One's stronger. One's pretty bitter.
Oh, yours tastes so good. Oh my god. That's good kimchi jjigae. Egg roll. Also, guys, a lot of the video got cut off because we set the fire alarm for the whole entire building, and then the firefighters came and in the snow. There's a snowstorm, by the way, and they came in the snow, asked us like, hey, like, what's going on, like, why did it go off? And we were like, we were cooking kalbi. We were doing K-barbecue at home, and they were like, oh. And he looked so disappointed. Not that like he was like sad that there wasn't a fire, but he was just like annoyed. Everyone downstairs kind of looked annoyed too, but oh well. I did not think that much smoke could bring a whole entire fire department to a building. Just cooking some kalbi. But I find that doing it in the air fryer is way better, as it cooks way faster. And also, you're not gonna have a bunch of smoke coming out, and it's not gonna smell everywhere.
Oh, good.
Shut up! I made tiramisu cake. This part I didn't film because the fire alarm, I just got overstimulated, but we're gonna try this. I didn't make it the usual way that everyone makes it. I made it with like cake. So I don't know if it's gonna taste good.
Are you feeling?
Just act normal! All of a sudden. Okay, try it.
Okay.
That was really good. Okay, this is the end of my vlog because I'm done eating for the 48 hours of cooking at home. But yeah.